Yo. You don't know when I rep Chop Lord, Chop Yard Entertainment, is it? Make sure you subscribe to the channel. You see the channel new. I try to get it up to 1 million subscribers. Yeah, you don't know the thing. So make sure you subscribe to the thing. Watch the video them. Like the video, share the video, turn on the post notification. You don't know the thing go. So right now we're gonna do a mad video. I call some restaurant, you see me, some fast food restaurant. You see me, I say we're gonna order Jamaican food. You see me, I say cause a Jamaican food we want. So Jamaican food we are called for. So just stay tuned, watch the video, and you don't know if you do subscribe, like, share, you know what I mean? What is that? Okay, yeah, so yeah, like, share, you see me, subscribe, enjoy the video, you see it? So alright, here we go. Go get some reactions, you know what I mean? Hope everybody like the reaction, I don't know. Yeah. So I go call up some random fast food and see what the reaction is. So remember, we are called for order Jamaican food. Yeah. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, how you doing?
Okay.
Yes, can I place an order for delivery, please?
No deliver, okay?
No deliver?
No.
Oh, okay. What you have on the menu? No, that woman, man, cut off the phone for me already. No, man, no manners. Alright, on to the next one, so we'll call the next one. Okay. The lady cut off the phone and the lady said we don't deliver and cut off the phone. She not even know it, she don't want to make no money. Alright. Call the next one, you see? Yeah. Put them answer now.
Chana, want me help you?
Yes, hello?
Hello?
Yes, can I place an order for delivery?
We never do deliver, I'm so sorry.
Oh, alright then. What you have on the menu, sir?
What's that?
What you have on the menu?
The menu?
Yeah, what you have on the menu?
On the menu?
Yeah.
A lot of food.
Huh? A lot of food?
Yeah, Chinese food.
You have steamed fish and okra?
What's that?
You have steamed fish and okra?
I can't understand what you say.
You have steamed fish and okra? Steamed fish.
No. This
Yeah.
is all carry-out restaurant. Like quick, fast Chinese food.
Oh, you have porridge?
No.
No? Yeah. Oh man, you have any bully beef and rice?
No.
No? What you have?
Just like American food.
American food?
Yeah.
Okay. You have pasta?
Can you tell me my address?
Huh?
Can you tell me my location?
Yeah, I want to place the order and come down there and pick it up.
No, can you come to my restaurant?
Can I come to the restaurant?
Yeah, see the menu, order your food you like, okay?
Yeah, but you can't read the menu and tell me the menu?
But I'm still busy, okay?
You busy?
Yeah.
Okay, what is number 3 on the order?
3,000 Moncrief, cost Flemic dollar.
Yeah, but what is number 3 on the order?
3,000 Moncrief.
Yeah, what is number 3 on the order, sir?
What street?
Number 3, number 3.
12.
Huh?
12.
12?
Yeah.
What are you talking about? What is number 3 on the order, sir? What you have on number 3? What's number 3 order? I want number 3.
Oh, the number 3.
Yeah.
The number 3. I don't know which one you want.
Yeah, I want a large number 3 with steamed fish and okra and one bowl of porridge.
Sir. Sorry, we don't have, okay?
Alright, I'm gonna come down there, alright? What's it do of it? Alright. You see it? So, hope you like the reaction, them, you know what I mean? So, we'll call the next one again and hear what them say them have on the menu. You know what I mean? So, yeah, you don't know where I call, where I ask for Jamaican food, right? So, Jamaican food, how we order. All this. Yeah, too much number or something. Alright. Hopefully I like this. The number there. Look like a wrong number. Yeah, and the right number not to ring.
Thank you for calling Buffalo Wild Wings at River City Marketplace, where every day's a game day. How may I help you?
Yes, hello, how you doing, sir?
Good, how are you?
I'm hungry.
Okay.
Yeah, what you have on the menu today?
We have wings, boneless wings, burgers, salad, wraps.
Boy, so yeah, it sound like you got a lot of stuff, man. Enough things up on the menu, man. You have any porridge? I know bully beef with rice and them thing there, the mackerel and them thing there, some breadfruit.
Say that again, sir. I can't understand you.
Yeah, you have any bully beef and rice and some mackerel, some breadfruit, some dumpling.
Oh, no, we don't sell any of those.
No?
No, sir. We don't sell none of those.
Oh man. What you have? What is number 7 on the order?
Say that again for me.
What is number 7 on the order? On the menu, number 7 on the menu, should say.
7, man. Say that again.
What is number 7 on the menu?
Number 7. We don't have a number 7, sir.
Yeah, what you have? What number you have?
What number we have?
Yeah.
We have different stuff.
Huh?
What are you in the mood for?
Well, right now, we done eat, about 4 dumpling, 2 pieces of fish, some steamed fish, some okra.
I think we can get you some dumplings.
Yeah, and some steamed fish with some okra with it and 2 plantain and them thing there, you see it? Hello? Hello? That man I look like he not understand a part was man hang up or something. But the line still a go. The line still a go, people. He hang up, see it there, hang up. Alright, you see it? So alright, I'll call our next number. You know what I mean? Remember to like, share, you know what I mean? Subscribe to the thing, you know what I mean? Click the notification bell, you know what I mean? And remember the channel new, so we try to get it up to 1 million or more. You see me I say? So subscribe, make sure you like, share the thing them. You see me I say? Yeah. Alright, so we'll call our next number. You know what I mean? Everybody hang up so far, you know what I mean? I guess them can't understand the patois, so you know what I mean? But we still a drop it, so we are order Jamaican food. You see me I say? Yeah. Alright. ring. Yeah, the ring. See? The ring.
Thank you for calling Buffalo Wild Wings in Orange Park. This is Liberty speaking. How may I help you?
Yes, hello, how you doing? Good evening.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
Good evening, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing hungry right now. I'm so hungry right now. Hello?
Yes.
Yes, I'm hungry right now.
Okay. You placing an order?
Yeah, I would like to place an order for delivery, please.
We don't personally deliver. You would have to go through Grubhub or DoorDash.
Oh, okay. You know, I don't like those guys. The last time one of those guys eat out piece of my chicken.
Oh.
The guy leave only the bones.
Huh?
The guy ate the chicken and he leave only the bones. I don't like those guys. I rather one of you people deliver it for me, please.
Oh, we can't deliver it to you.
Oh no?
No.
Oh man, but okay, can I have a number 7, please?
Number 7?
Yes, please.
Our meals are not numbered.
Oh, what you have on the menu today?
Have you looked at our menu before?
No?
You might want to take a look online. It's a pretty big menu.
Okay. Alright. Give me 1 second, let me pull up the menu here and look, okay?
Okay, do you want to call back?
No, just give me 1 second. I'm quick with the fingers, you know? I don't see any steamed fish and porridge on here.
Said what?
I don't see any steamed fish or any porridge on here.
Steamed fish?
Yeah.
We don't have steamed fish.
You don't have steamed fish?
It's Buffalo Wild Wings. We have wings.
What do you mean you don't have steamed fish?
It's a wing restaurant. We don't have seafood.
What? So you don't have any dumpling and any yam and banana and them thing?
We have wings and burgers.
Okay, can I have 1 burger, please?
Are you picking it up?
No, I thought you said they was gonna deliver it.
No, we can't deliver it to you.
What do you mean?
We personally cannot deliver it to you. You have to go through Grubhub or DoorDash.
Oh my, I'm hungry.
Okay, I mean, I can't do anything unless you're gonna come pick it up.
Okay, I'm gonna come pick it up. Can you make the burger with egg and sausage, please?
With what?
With egg and sausage.
We don't have sausage.
You don't have sausage?
No.
Oh my God, you're killing me.
I thought you were looking at the menu.
Yes, I'm looking at the menu, but I don't see any I don't see.
Yeah, there's no sausage on it and there's no steamed fish on there.
Oh man, okay. You have steamed callaloo?
We have what?
You have steamed callaloo?
I don't know what that is.
You don't have any callaloo?
I have no clue what that is.
You have ital food, veggie chunks? Hello?
Yes.
You have
If
any?
you're going to place the order, I can help you, but if you aren't, then I can't stay on the phone.
No, but you have any veggie chunks?
I don't know what you're saying.
You have any ital?
Any what?
Any ital, veggie chunks?
Vegetables?
Veggie chunks.
I have no idea what you're saying.
Ital food, ital stew. 2 green banana and yam.
No, we don't have bananas.
Okay, what you have on the menu again?
You have to look at the menu online. I can't tell you the whole menu over the phone.
Oh my God, you're killing me, lady. Okay, I'm gonna come down there right now, okay?
Okay.
Alright, I'll see you when I come down there, alright?
Okay.
Alright. Alright, mad thing. So, One more. Alright. 15. Number 15 with the on it now. Number 5. Alright, make a call. Call about 3 more number. 4 more number. And we call it a wrap. See it? We wanna like the reactions, you know what I mean? Like, share, subscribe, you know what I mean? And remember, say the channel is new. We are trying to get it up, get it to 1 million, you know what I mean? So, like, share, subscribe, you know what I mean? And smash the notification button. Alright, so we'll call a couple more numbers and then you don't know we'll call it a wrap. We'll call some fast food restaurant and we'll ask for Jamaican food, right? So, alright, remember the thing. Pizza Hut come up.
Would you like to raise money for your nonprofit group? Pizza Hut can help. Sell our Pizza Hut fundraiser cards and earn $6 per card sold. Call toll-free 866-299-1148 to find out more. That's 866-299-1148. Or hold the fundraiser night at Pizza Hut and earn up to 20% of the sales you generate. Call your Pizza Hut restaurant manager for more details.
Our ooey gooey warm cinnamon sticks with creamy vanilla icing for dipping go great with your Pizza Hut pizza. Try an order today and you'll agree that only Pizza Hut can make something so delicious.
Did you know all your favorites are just a
Already
click
know
away?
Ding Dong
Visit us
dance,
at
you can do it when I
pizzahut.com
song
today. And be sure to like us on
And do it
Facebook
on the
to
beat.
get exclusive offers.
You know Ding Dong? No? You don't even know it about it, but
It's game day and you need to serve something big. The
Yeah,
Big
I
Dinner
know.
Box. 2 medium, 1
Pizza
topping
Hut
pizzas,
among
breadsticks, and your choice of Wednesday wings or Tuscany pasta. Get the ultimate game day solution for just
people Pizza
$19.99.
Hut take long for answer the phone.
Would you like to raise money for your nonprofit group? Pizza Hut can help. Sell our Pizza Hut fundraiser cards and earn $6 per card sold. Call toll-free 866-299-1148 to find out more. That's 866-299-1148. Or hold a fundraiser night at Pizza Hut and earn up to 20% of the sales you generate. Call your Pizza Hut restaurant manager for more details.
Pizza Hut take so long for answer the phone, man. The man them a go like
Our
them busy
ooey
down
gooey
there.
warm
And
cinnamon
them not
sticks with
busy, you know?
creamy vanilla icing for dipping go great with your Pizza Hut pizza. Try an order today and you'll agree that only Pizza Hut can make something so delicious.
Yeah, if I hear that song 3 more time, I cut off Pizza Hut.
Did you know all your favorites are
I will
just a
not
click
be able
away?
to toast.
Visit us at
3 more time I
pizzahut.com
hear that
today.
song,
And be
hang
sure
up
to
and
like us
call
on
the next
Facebook
number.
to get exclusive offers.
Cause Pizza Hut, I go on like them now answer. To order some Jamaican food, you see it?
It's game day and you need to serve something big. The Big Dinner Box. 2 medium, 1 topping pizzas, breadsticks, and your choice of Wednesday wings or Tuscany pasta. Get the ultimate game day solution for just $19.99.
Would you like to raise money for your nonprofit group? Pizza Hut can help. Sell our Pizza Hut fundraiser cards and earn $6 up to 20% of the sales you generate. Call your Pizza Hut restaurant manager for more
Alright,
details.
watch out, I got hang up on Pizza Hut, you know, cause boy, them are going like them busy down there do the most, you know. I call the next number then. Pizza Hut, get to.
Our ooey gooey.
Alright, on to the next one, Pizza Hut, get to. So yeah, remember people, subscribe, like, share, turn on the post notification, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, we call the fast food restaurant them. I ask them for Jamaican food. You see it? Yeah. Pizza Hut again. See if anyone here got answer.
Please hold.
See the music again.
Would you like to raise money for your nonprofit group?
That's again,
Pizza
but
Hut
the
can
way
help.
you know,
Sell our
so
Pizza
they
Hut
make it song, they
fundraiser
must
card
have beat
and
the
earn
one song in
$6
your
per
head
card
all day.
sold. Call toll free 866-299-1148 to find out more. That's 866-299-1148. Or hold a fundraiser night at Pizza Hut and earn up to 20% of the sales you generate. Call your Pizza Hut restaurant manager for more details.
Yeah, I think I'm also on 10% now, so. Yeah, we not have too much long on the video call phone up on all 10% now, so. You don't know people, remember, subscribe, like, share, you know what I mean, and turn on the notification, you know what I mean, so. Channel is new, we are trying to get it up to 1 million right now, so. We are gone, you know what I mean, we are go for it, so. Like, share, and remember to subscribe and turn on the notification. Yeah, Trap Yard Entertainment.
Did you know all
is
your
it?
favorites are
Trap
just a
Yard.
click away? Visit us at pizzahut.com today. And be sure to like us on Facebook to get exclusive offers.
It's game day, and you need to serve something big. The Big Dinner Box. 2 medium, 1 topping pizzas, breadsticks, and your choice of wing street wings or Tuscany pasta. Get the ultimate game day solution for just $19.99.
Pizza Hut, I gonna make
Would
it
you
one
like to
but
raise money
today.
for your nonprofit group? Pizza Hut can help. Sell our Pizza Hut fundraiser cards and earn $6 per card sold. Call toll free 866-299-1148 to find out more. That's 866-299-1148. Or hold a fundraiser night at Pizza Hut and earn up to 20% of the sales you generate. Call your Pizza Hut restaurant manager for more details.
Our ooey gooey warm cinnamon sticks with creamy vanilla icing. They go great with your Pizza Hut pizza. Try an order today, and you'll agree that only Pizza Hut can make something so delicious.
Pizza Hut like you know, I order some Jamaican food.
Did you know all your favorites are just a click away? Visit us at pizzahut.com today. And be sure to like us on Facebook.
Thank you for holding. This be for delivery or carry out.
Yes, hello, good evening, how you doing?
I'm fine. How about yourself?
Yeah, you know, I'm hungry right now. Yeah.
I'd like to place an order for delivery or carry out.
Yeah, you know, I would like to make an order for delivery still.
Alright, can I get a phone number, please?
Phone number, 904 661 9138.
Alright, and a name for your order?
Dave. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, Dave is my
Yes, the
name.
name?
Yeah, my name is Dave.
Big.
Yeah, Dave, like
That's
Dave, the
it.
cable guy.
Gotcha. And your address?
Yeah, I would like to place an order for delivery. You deliver, right?
Yeah, so what's your address and the delivery address?
What's the address again? 7925 Los Robles Court.
What's the street name?
7925 Los Robles Court.
Okay, what main street are you located off of?
It's near to the highway.
Are you on Dunn Avenue?
Yes?
Are you closer towards Baptist and FSCJ?
Baptist. What is Baptist?
It's a hospital.
Oh. I'm not sure, you know. I'm new to the place, you know. I'm new to the area, you know. I'm not too sure, you know. Yeah, you know, they just leave me here and I'm hungry, you know.
Alright, I think you have to call the other because there's 2 locations on the same street. And we actually don't deliver to that area, so I'm going to give you the number to the Pizza Hut that actually does deliver to your area.
Oh my God, you're gonna let me die from hunger?
I'm sorry, every Pizza Hut has their own delivery zone.
Yeah? Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm right here on Los Robles on 7925.
Yeah, we don't service that area, but the other Dunn Avenue location probably will.
So,
So I give you their phone number so you can call them.
so can I come pick it up?
Oh, yes, you can.
Yeah, what time you guys close? Cause I have to walk down there. I don't know how long it's gonna take me to walk down there.
We close at 11.
At 11?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well hopefully I get down there before you guys close, okay?